Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So this video is all about the hard copy of the online course that I have received from Amity University, because I'm doing online MBA from Amity University and they have sent me the hard copy of the books, as well as they have provided me the soft copy of the books and their courses on their Amity portals. So they will provide you respective credentials through which you can log in the portal and you can find the course soft copy of the courses from there, as well as they have sent me the hard copy of the book. So I'm gonna just show you the unboxing of the Amity online hard copy courses and the books what they have sent to me. So this is the box they have sent to me and यहाँ पे ये लोग आपका एड्रेस देंगे, लाइक मेरा एड्रेस यहाँ पे शो हो रखा है एंड यहाँ पे नेम्स in this way they have packed this books. So let me just open it and show you how I have received and what are the subject I'm gonna just study in batch 2023. So here we have the packing of the books. So yeah, okay, each and every semester we have to study at least 6 subjects. So they have sent me the books of all the subjects that I'm gonna study in second semester. So here you can see I have received the hard copy of all the 6 subjects that I'm gonna study in second semester. So here this legal aspect of business, this book I have received, and human resources management, financial management, and business research methods, conflict resolution and management. All the books I have received for second semester, and for the first semester I also received in the same way on the same address that I have updated on the Amity online portal. So you will get each and everything on the portals, all the details you will find over there. And if you want to just know how to join the online Amity University course, like I'm doing MBA, and there are also the several courses like BCA, MCA, everything you can do online. And especially I'm just working in MNC IT sector, so I think this is a very feasible course for me that I can do. So guys, if you want to know the feedback and the review of this course, you can see my next video where I will explain you how we just go through all the lectures for each and every subjects, and how they just schedule their lectures on the weekdays. So, and how do we manage each and everything at home along with my job, like while doing MBA, and how do we just give our online exams, what they schedule for us online. So each and everything they will just provide you online. So I guess for the working professional, if they want to do this course from the Amity University, then they can just go and join this course, because this is the one and only one course which is in very reasonable range, and I'm just paying 1,65,000 for only particular MBA course from Amity Online University. So this is the very feasible course for me, and I would request you to just like and subscribe my channel and see my next video. Bye bye.